Alrighty, this is video 4.3 and it's sign law and I call it Matchy Matchy. So here's a cool test for you. If you run into somebody that went to SIIT, look them directly in the eye and go, so did you learn about Matchy Matchy? And if they start laughing, that means they have been in my math class. If they just look at you and go, it means they haven't been in my math class. Because I spend so much time talking in this section about looking for Matchy Matchy. Because I like the sign law, it's quick, it's easy, and if I can make life easy, I'm going to do that. All right, so circle the sets of sides and angles. Don't worry about solving for now. So what I'm looking for is I need to know the numbers. So there has to be numbers for a matching set. For example, I know here's 42 and 17. Because I have the numbers, the amounts, the measurements will do, of the angle and the opposite side, I can use my sign law. All right, we'll do one more. On this one, I've got 44 and 88. Okie dokie. You understand what I'm doing. So what I need you to do now is turn off the video and circle the matchy matchy sets for the next 4 questions. Okay, so I'll just do my little vent. If you leave the video on and just sit there and watch, that's really passive learning. What you want to do is do it yourself, force yourself to think, and if you're scared, I don't want to get it wrong, fine, do it in pencil. No one's gonna know. Just do it in pencil. If you get it wrong, then fix it. Just saying. All right, turn off the video. And we're back. Let's look. All right, so we've got 51 and 9.4. We've got 12 and 67. Now he's looking for opposites. Oh, look at that one. Dirty dog. That's one. Okay, here's where ASA, angle side angle. Remember, that's the one where you can calculate this one, and then you're golden, and you can solve it like that. And in fact, 180 degrees in the whole triangle minus 61 minus 48. And 80 minus 61 degrees in one corner minus 48 degrees in the other corner. That makes it 71. So, ta-da, there we go. That's all I mean by calculating that angle. And then you've got the lovely matching set. Okay, so this one just looks a little bit odd, but I'm going to do this. So 118 goes to there. So 52 must be the opposite. So there is my lovely matching set. And ta-da, that's what I mean by matchy matchy. If you have that, you can use a sign law. If you don't have that, you can't. So for example, if I have a triangle, oopsies, it's not very nice. And this is 40 degrees, and I know this is 12, and this is 10. I can't do it. There's no matching. I need something over here. Without something over there, I can't use the sign law. Or if I have a triangle, so this is side, angle, side, right? Angle sandwich. I say sandwich wrong, blame it on my sister. She always says it that way. 6 and 7 and 8. Well, that's all lovely, but I don't have an angle to make a matching pair, so this one won't work. That's 3 sides, so these guys are for cosine law, which is really cool, but it's a few more steps in the sign law, so I am just super pumped about using the sign law wherever I can. All right, here's another one of my little rants. The text presents the sign law as A over sine A is B over sine A, B, and C over sine C, which confuses the heck out of most people because they think you need to use the whole formula at the same time. You don't. You only use 2. So you can use A and B, you can use B and C, you can use A and C, or you can use whatever letters you need to make the question work. So for example, A over sine A is going to be M over sine M. Oh, I should mention, this is one of those times where you have to use lowercase and uppercase, lowercase and uppercase, lowercase and capital letters, and use them consistently. If you're one of those people who write the lowercase, well, you just write a capital again, but make it smaller, don't do it. It's just going to confuse me and it's going to confuse you. So uppercase and lowercase, and there we go. So all in A over sine A is M over sine M. The small letters, lowercase, are on the top and they represent sides. The uppercase are on the bottom and they represent angles. So X over sine, what do you think? X, there you go, is B over sine B. All right, time to turn off the video, do the question. All right, and I trust that you did that. So I've got a sine H down here. That means I need a matching little H up there. Oh, I was trying to get tricky. So big R down here, little R up there, little Z there, big Z there. Not so bad. Again, it's all about matchy matchy. W over sine W, G over little, there we go. Now, okay, I was trying to be as tricky as I possibly could because I didn't give you any letter there. I don't care, whatever letter you picked. Probably not H, that would be weird. Let's go A over capital A. As long as those two match, you're fine. If you put B's or C's or X's, it's all good. All right, so the letters don't matter as long as you have the matchy matchy. The lowercase, oh, I just already said that. Letters are always on the top, the lengths to the side, the capitals on the bottom, angles. And to solve it, you will always have 3 out of the 4 variables. And yeah, I'm going to leave it at that for the end of this video, because that piece of brilliance I was about to impart to you, you are going to have to wait and watch the next video to find out.